Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you a famous Tamilian style tamarind curry where we use different yams and potato and prepare this tamarind curry. For this recipe I'll be using fist yam, some taro and potato. I'll also be using hyacinth beans. While you're peeling the taro, it normally tends to itch a lot. So rub some salt and oil in your palms and then start peeling it. I've peeled the taro, yam and potato, washed it thoroughly. Now I'll be slicing the yam into thick slices. I'll also be slicing the taro into thick slices. The baby potatoes are already peeled and reserved. It's already washed. Now I'll transfer the taro to a bowl. I've added tamarind water and tiny amount of salt. I'll cook this on medium flame till it's tender. Meanwhile, the hyacinth beans, I washed it thoroughly. I'll also cook the hyacinth beans side by side with some water and some salt. Now the taro and the yam has cooked. In the hyacinth beans itself, I've added potato, baby potato. So that will cook along with that. Now for the curry, I'm also going to be boiling tomato and tamarind with tiny amount of salt, and I'll reserve this. This is all pre-preparation that I'm doing. Now my taro and yam has cooked. I've removed it from the flame, washed it and reserved. Now here I've reserved all the ingredients: taro, yam, potato, hyacinth beans. We need the tomato and tamarind, shallots, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, one onion which is finely chopped, one slit green chilli. Then I'll be using some fenugreek seeds, peppercorns, cumin, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. For the tempering, mustard seeds, split black gram dal, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds and asafoetida. Now I'll be preparing the masala. I've heated a wok with the oil. I've added peppercorns, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, half the amount of chopped onion, curry leaves, garlic, ginger. I'll fry all these ingredients. I've added the slit green chili. Once the onion has fried well and it's turned light golden brown in color, I have removed it from the flame, transferred it to a mixer jar. I'll grind this into a smooth paste with tiny amount of water. In the same wok, I've added sesame oil and sunflower oil. Now I'll add the split black gram dal. I'll allow it to slightly roast. Then I've added the mustard seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. Allowed it to splutter. Then I've added peeled garlic, peeled shallots. We'll fry this first, and half the amount of onion that I reserved. I've also added curry leaves. I'll fry all of this till the onion turns light golden brown in color. Next I'll add the masala paste that I've ground. I'll fry the masala paste till the oil surfaces on top. Next I'll add coarse salt, chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. We'll fry this for few seconds. Once the oil surfaces on top, I will add the cooked yam, cooked taro and hyacinth beans. We'll stir the hyacinth beans and yam in this masala and cook it for few seconds. Next I've added water, tiny amount of water, just quarter cup of water. Salt as per taste, coarse salt as per taste. We'll just cover this and allow the yam to cook in the masala. Once the yam absorbs most of that masala, just squeeze the tamarind and tomato that we have boiled earlier. Extract the pulp, add the pulp to this. Stir all the ingredients, check for salt. If salt is needed, add salt, cover and cook till the oil surfaces. The curry is ready. We'll just give it a good stir and serve it with steam cooked rice. This tastes excellent, friends. Do try this recipe and post your comments. All the ingredients are mentioned. I'll see you soon in the next recipe video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share this recipe with your friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.